Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in very sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this very nice, brand new 2022 Coachmen Mirada 35ES. So it's basically 35 feet, of course full body paint, lots of slide outs, beautiful on the inside. It's white furniture and white finishes. Let's go have a look. Lots of storage on the outside. You got a nice flat screen integrated 32-inch TV for hanging out outside. If you're into white, you're going to like this coach. Look at this. Solid surface countertops. Nice white cabinetry. You got an extension here, gas burning stove and oven, nice large, very large microwave, and a residential refrigerator and freezer with ice maker. This is really nice. You won't have any shortage of space here. As we move forward, you've got the a standard dinette booth. Very comfortable upholstery. It also has storage down here on both sides. As we move forward, you've got a drop-down bed for guests or your kids. And of course, this being a brand new coach, it's got the new Ford Godzilla V8 motor and an updated dashboard, and you can see a nice big 10-inch screen for your backup camera. It's a 10-inch display for all your stuff there. So nice. And you also, I always tend to forget this sometimes, you have a nice desk drawer up front for the passenger. But that's not all here. You've got another 40-inch screen with what we call theater seats. This is one of the options on this model, is the theater seat. Extremely comfortable. It's a recliner. You also have more storage space up top. Very nice. You have a gas fireplace. It's beautiful, really beautiful. This RV is very light and bright. And as we move back, very nice barn door here. And what you have is a dual purpose. It's a hanging closet. There are bunk beds and lots of storage, or a combination of all three. As we move back into the bedroom, very nice walk around queen mattress. Nice backrest here for reading and watching TV. You've got the built-in 32-inch TV right here, which also has storage in the back. Very cool. Obviously lots of space. Nice countertop here for your jewelry or whatever you have up here when you're staying long term. Most of these RVs now have built-in USB ports for your iPhone or your Android or whatever. Very nice. And then you've got to look at this. This is, for a motorhome, this is the largest shower I've ever seen. So you got to look at it. So again, this is a brand new Mirada 35ES. My name's rKavanaugh again. Come on out to BISH'S RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Come have a look at this coach. It's beautiful. Or any other motorhome here on the lot. Ask for me, rKavanaugh. Hope to see you soon.